A sister from India is asking how to pay Fidyah for 40 plus missed fast. So she's missed more than probably 40 more fast. Should I give a sa of wheat, rice, or prepare food for the poor? Can I feed 40 or more poor all at once, or feed one poor person each day?
So the person, there's Fidyah they need to do. The Fidyah that they need to do is for what reason? Did they miss it because of pregnancy? Did they miss it because they were sick or ill? Did they miss it because deliberately they didn't want to fast? Because the Fidyah is not for everybody. The Fidyah is not for anybody. For example, if a person is sick, but his sickness is an acute sickness, where the person is going to recover, inshallah ta'ala, bad headache, they have an upset stomach, and they don't fast for that day, for example, then they don't have to do Fidyah, okay? They don't have to. That person just has to bring back that fasting because he was sick. فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا أَوْ عَلَى سَفَرٍ فَعِدَّةٌ مِنْ أَيَّامٍ أُخَرَ. They just have to be, if a person is a traveler, they have to just bring back the fasting. Like if a person has a chronic illness, diabetes or etc., those people don't need to bring back the fasting. They just have to pay Fidyah. Okay? If the person broke their fast because of sexual intercourse, again, they need to pay Fidyah and also bring back the fasting. وَهَلُمَّ جَرًّا, and the list goes on. So we need to know specifically what is it that the person was not fasting for those many years. What made them not? Was she pregnant? And if she was pregnant, did she not fast because of herself, or is it because of the child that she didn't fast? We also need to know the difference between that. So there's many questions that need to be understood from this person's question. Just highlight it for me, inshallah ta'ala. We can send an email to the person and ask them to explain it more for us, and then we give them a more detailed answer, inshallah ta'ala. Now.